Hello, it's your old friend Bobby Joe again for Hair Repair by Debonair. You may be asking yourself, what happened to Bobby Joe to make him look so good? How come I'm on TV every day? Well, one day, I was sitting around the house, lonely, and I started an experiment. I mixed up a few things like some dill pickle juice, an expired jar of mayonnaise, some turpentine, and a little secret ingredient I call Formula D. I came up with this special formula, mixed it all up in a blender, put it on my head, and I waited 24 hours. When I woke up the next morning, I said, hello, you handsome dude. My hair began to grow like a chia pet on steroids. Well, I got more to tell you later, so don't go away. I'll be back. Remember, Debonair will always be hair for you.